What's the meaning of arak? Arak. Arak.
Arak. Arak. Arak is a clear, colorless, anise-flavored alcoholic beverage that is popular in Middle Eastern countries. It is made from distilling grapes or dates and then flavored with anise seed. Arak typically has a high alcohol content, ranging from 40% to 63%. The drink is traditionally served with water and ice, which causes the liquid to turn milky white due to the anise oils being insoluble in water. Arak is often consumed as a social drink and is a significant part of Middle Eastern culture.